Ferrari painted the Big Apple red over the weekend. For its 70th anniversary, Ferrari set up displays throughout New York that showcase both classic cars and new models like the LaFerrari Aperta. The prancing horse capped off its celebrations Monday by ringing the opening bell at the New York Stock Exchange. Bisimoto Engineering took a different approach than usual to its build for SEMA Show 2017. The Hyundai Hyper-Iconic is a modified version of the hybrid Ioniq, but unlike the 1,040 horsepower Santa Fast that Bisimoto designed last year, it's tuned for efficiency. Various changes inside and out help the Hyper-Iconic achieve an impressive 80 miles per gallon. Mazda is set to give people a look at what it has coming down the pike. The Japanese automaker has teased a compact hatchback concept ahead of the Tokyo Motor Show that it says previews the next generation of Mazda products. In addition to the more human-centric design, the concept reportedly will utilize Mazda's Sky Active vehicle architecture.